This is a live outlet, so I want to be careful. Just take the faceplate off. Just make this a little easier. Favorite tool in the world. I should be able to pull the paneling down. Yes. Yes! Matt, you said you were done with demolition. We're almost there. I hate this wire. I hate having it in my house. It's very old. I don't like it. It's going. At some point. Yeah, I might want to turn that one off. Okay, power's off to this outlet, receptacle, whatever you want to call it. That's important, and you'll see why. Yeah, that's why. These off. I'm going to tighten that back up in the box. All this stuff is going to be replaced eventually. What I'm going to do is take a nail and just set this up temporarily like this. I know that it's out of the way of where my stud's going for this wall, so I can mess with it later. Good enough for now.